Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Now today's video, no story time. We are cooking creamy chicken strips. Creamy chicken strips because we were hungry and lazy to cook. I'm sure you are wondering what the hell is that. Don't wonder. It is what is this? Garlic butter. Yes, it's garlic butter. You get it at all your stores in South Africa if you are based in South Africa, and in Lesotho as well, I know, and in Botswana. I'm not sure of Zim and other neighboring countries. I'm not sure, but I'm sure of Botswana, Lesotho. You can get it in all stores, like your South African stores in Botswana. Anyway, let's not waste time and talk about things that we don't know. Hey, come closer. Now we are going to chop our onion. And one thing about us in this house, you know us by now, that we cook what we have in our houses, of course, and we don't know how to chop. And thou shalt not judge, because Jesus Christ is not even judging you. Where else you are a sinner? Come for me. Come for me. I'm waiting. So anyway, make sure that you chop your onion. Chop. On the other hand, remember, when you do things such as strips, you need to try by all means to accommodate different types of colors. That gives color to your it gives color to your dish. Okay, so we are having white, which is onion, and yellow pepper, red pepper. We didn't have a green pepper, but then we'll use something else. You'll see. Stay tuned. While you're still looking and staying tuned, make sure that you subscribe, you like the video. If you can't like, at least share, comment, say something, cook this and this, or ask me, how do we cook this and this? If I don't know, I'll tell you, this one I don't know, my sister, I beg. But if I know, I'll always try it, okay? And for those who have subscribed, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for using this content. I know it is very much relatable to all of us. There's nothing fancy. Like I said, this is a house whereby we cook anything that we have in our houses. Be your mopani worms, anything we cook. Anyway, back to our pots. You see, that is everything in the pot there. Your yellow pepper, your you all the thingy, and then you close your pot. Make sure that your heat is always on 3. It is very much important to use a low heat when cooking. Why? We don't want food that smells of smoke. Apologies for me. You know by now, content we edit it at night. Yeah, I'm sorry. I know it's bad manners, but I'm sorry. What must I do, guys? It's nature. I can't run away from it. Now I'm chopping our chicken breast. Chop. Chicken strips, breast, whatever you call it. Chop. And then go back to our pan. Everything has, it's coming together. You can see. And look at the type of garnishing that that is caused due to that. Caused by our garlic butter. You see the type of garnishing. There's a little bit of parsley there, even though I didn't use parsley, but because I used garlic butter. And then on you can also apply your any favorite spice. Remember, we are not showcasing the spices brand because they are not sponsoring any of the videos, so we are not going to give them free promo. So everything is in the pot. You see, there's less cooking oil. It's butter, way too less. Make sure that you throw in your strips, of course seasoned with your favorite spice. For salt, a little bit of salt there, because our spices always have salt. Okay, look how nice it looks already. Yummy. This meal was very nice. It was giving. We enjoyed. Everyone was happy. We were all happy, and I ate 2 plates. Please don't judge me. I dished 8 and I dished again. I don't know what is happening, but yeah, it is what it is. The food were nice. Considering the fact that I hardly eat famies, I cook but don't eat. So this time around, I was very much happy that I ate. So make sure that you mix everything together. And yeah, it's coming all right. You can see it's changing color. The chicken part it's changing color. It's becoming whitish. And one thing I like about chicken strips is a very quick meal. Especially if you are having a busy day or a lazy day, throw in some strips. Thank me later. Throw in some strips and thank me later. Okay. Close it again for a few more minutes. 3. Cook with 3. On the other side, we are going to do our sauce, right? This is our mustard. We can use any brand. I'm not a fan of mustard, but I'm trying by all means to actually fall in love with it. Like that boyfriend, that guy. Wow, mono raonyake. We shall pillar to post. Oh, roba jaka di pipe so maraonejo mushala marao. Yeah, I can nale mustard. I don't like mustard. Mustard doesn't like me. But I keep on, trying because I want to fall in love with mustard. Anyway, that is my cream. Because I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. I just mix. Like I said, whatever that I have, nyas mixela mean. We mix, we shall see. Bonaribu DJ Dira in the kitchen. We mix everything and it shall come to pass. You get? So, yeah. Then make sure that you mix everything together. Look at the color. Ooh, it is giving. And a little bit of sugar there. It is so giving. Then, back to our pan. Make sure that everything is coming all together. You see? Now our meat is fine. Everything is fine. There's less cooking oil. Why? Because we try. Woo! Jesus is the Lord. Now, this is the green part that I wanted. Our cucumber. Reason why I didn't put it simultaneously with the rest of the peppers. It's because cucumber, usually we eat it raw, right? Please don't have a naughty mind. So we eat it raw. So I've never tasted a cooked cucumber. So I didn't want to try something extreme. I have never seen a cooked cucumber. So I actually seasoned with it towards the end. So even when we were eating, you could feel that there's something a little bit I don't know how to describe this taste. English, the cooking language is always difficult than the normal language. They have their own terms and I don't know those terms. Anyway, the mixture that we did off-site, you see, I'm saying off-site. No, not even off camera. Aside. Yeah. Look. That I did aside. Then you mix it together. It gives you that creamy taste or creamy look, which is what we wanted for this meal. There. Thou shalt forgive me. Guys, it's late. It's late. During the day we are working at some companies that makes us tired. Retail. So retail is not child's play. So you mix up everything. You see, there's a little bit of what is this? A little bit of parsley that comes from what is this? Garlic butter, yes. And then I'm done cooking. Okay, we had a leftover rice. I used our leftover rice. And then, the meal was ready. That was easy, simple, you see. Easy, simple, and everyone is happy. You can eat and enjoy. Eat it whether with rice or macaroni as well. So, in a nutshell, thank you, famies, for watching. I pray that you remain well. God bless you and bless whatever that you touch. Until we meet again, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Bye.